Yes, good evening everyone. Please turn on your video before we start the class. So let's start with inequality then. See, in inequality, this is an means it's an operator we can say. So less than, greater than, less than equals, or greater than or equals, right? This all four things which you have. Now it behaves as the same as the equal sign, right? But there will be means the equal sign. If it is you have 2x plus 4 equals 8. So what you do, 2x is equals to 8 minus 4, right? This is what you will do. Similarly, if it is 2x plus 4 is greater than 8, you can similarly do it as 2x plus is greater than 8 minus 4. You can do this. But over here, 2x equals 8 minus 4, that is 4, right? Now, you can take this 2 in division and you'll get 2, right? Similarly, you'll get over here also. But if it is minus 8, then what you will do, you will take 4, this 8 minus 8 minus 4. So it will be minus 12. And then what you will do, x will be equal to minus 6. Simply, you can write it. But in this case, it will not be like that. If it is 2x greater than minus 12, and if you want to divide with 2, then it is fine. Okay. If you want to divide it with 2, it will be x greater than minus 6. This is fine. But if it is, the question is like this, if it is minus 2x plus 4 greater than minus 8, then minus 2x will be greater than minus 8 minus 4. Then it will be minus 2x will be greater than minus 12. And then if you divide with 2, you
You
get
have to
minus
flip the
6.
sign.
Yes, yes. It will be minus 6. And whenever you are doing multiplication or division with a minus number, at that time you have to flip this. That is, if you are multiplying with minus 1 or dividing with minus 1, what you have to do, x will be less than 6. Got it? This is the only thing which you need to remember while solving the inequality problem. Whenever you are multiplying with a minus number, either division or multiplication, you have to flip the inequality. Okay? So let's solve some of the questions based on this. If you have this as the questions in inequality, and if you want to solve them, okay? So you suppose if I'm solving this, not this one, if I'm solving this 35th, okay, what you have, 2 into x plus 1 is greater than x minus 7, right? It will be 2x plus 2 greater than x minus 7. So you can take x on this side, 2 on that side. So 2x minus x greater than minus 7 minus 2. So 2x minus x is x greater than minus 9. That's it. This is what your answer. Since there was nothing with, there was no negative with x, so you will not multiply with minus. Okay. Suppose if I do, yeah, if I do the 39th sum, okay, if I'm doing the 39th sum, so what you have over here, 3 into x minus 1 less than 2 into 1 minus x, right? So 3x minus 3 should be less than 2 minus 2x. Okay, again, if you take this minus 2x on this side, it will be 3x plus 2x less than 2 plus 3. Again, nothing came. It will be 5x less than 5, and then x is less than 1. That's it. Yeah, we are not getting the numbers where it will be negative. Yeah, let's solve question number 38. If I want to solve question number 38, what you will have, 4 minus 2x less than equals to, so minus 2x will be less than equals to minus 4. So minus 2x will be less than equals to minus 4 is minus 2. If you divide with minus 2 on both the sides, it will be x greater than or equals 1. So in this way, the flipping of sign will be done if you are multiplying or dividing with a negative numbers. Is that clear, Palak?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Apart from this, do you have any difficulty?
Yeah, now the plotting part.
Okay. Now, if you have to plot this on a number line, the inequality which you have, if you want to plot it on a number line, suppose if I want to solve this 19th problem, okay? If I want to solve this 19th problem, and I have to plot it also on the number line. Okay, so what you have, 7x plus 14 will be less than 3x plus 4. So 7x minus 3x will be less than 4 minus 14. 7x minus 3x is how much? 4x less than equals 4 minus 14 is how much? Minus 10. So x will be less than minus 10 by 4. Okay, so x will be less than minus 5 by 2. You can say x will be less than minus 2.5. Okay, and you have to plot this now on the number line. Okay, if you want to plot this on a number line, suppose this is your number line. It starts from 0 over here. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and so on. And over here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on, right? So minus 2.5, where it will come over here, right? It will come over here, minus 2.5. And minus 2.5 is not included since it is only less than, not less than equals. So what you will do, the 2.5, you will make an open circle over here, and it is less than 2.5, it is on this side. So this is how you will plot on the number line. If it is less than equals, then you will fill this dot. Since it was not less than equals, so you will not fill the dot. Is that clear? Yes, Palak.
Yeah, so
So this part you
now
want to
plotting
understand.
on graph.
Achha, plotting on graph you have a problem.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. We'll do that. Now these are the questions where you have to plot it on a graph. What they have given? Draw a sketch graph similar to those above and indicated setup satisfies the inequality and shade the by shading the unwanted region. You have to shade what? Unwanted region. Okay. Let's do one of the sum from here. That is, let's do the 19th problem. Now, if I want to solve, if I have to draw the graph of this, okay? So what we have to do? What they have given, y is greater than x plus 2, right? So first I'll plot the graph. Just a moment. Let me take the graph. If I plot a graph over here, okay, what is your equation? Y is greater than x plus 2. So I'll write it over here first. Y is greater than x plus 2. But if you want to draw the graph of this, first you have to convert into equality. That is y is equals to x plus 2. Okay. Now once you are done this, then what you have to do? You have to draw the line of y is equals to x plus 2. So how you will make it? You can make a table for this and take some values. If the value of x is 0, then what will be the value of y? Yeah, anyone? In
Oh.
this equation, yeah, what it will be?
Oh,
Yeah. Next, if I put the value of x as 3, then the value of y will be
5.
5, right? You can take these 2 points and plot it 0, comma 2 and 3, comma 5, right? 0, comma 2 will be somewhere over here, and 3, comma 5. 3, comma 5 will be somewhere over here. Okay, so you can plot this line now. So if I want to plot this line, what I'll do, yeah, this is my required line, and the equation of this line is what? Y is equals to x plus 2. The equation of this line is y equals x plus 2. Fine. Now the next line which they have given, y is less than 7. So y is less than 7. You have to convert it into equality, that is y equals to 7. So y equals to 7 will be parallel to which axis? Yeah, anyone?
X-axis.
Exactly, it will be parallel to x-axis. So y equals 7 will be somewhere over here. If I draw this line, it will be somewhere over here. Yes or no? This is what my equation of y is equal to 7. Fine. Now if I want to draw the shaded and the unshaded part, whatever, right? So y was greater than x plus 2. The equation was y is greater than x plus 2. So you have to test for origin. See, y is equals to x plus 2 is this. right? So y is greater than x plus 2, either it will be this region or either it will be this region, either on the upper side or the lower side. So which one it is, you have to find it. So how you will find, you can take any of the point from this regions. So if you take this point or you take this point or you take the origin, anyone is fine. You can take any one point. So test for 2 comma 1 you can do. What you can do, test for any point you can take. Test for 2 comma 1. If you do it, so you put this values over here. X value is 2 and y value is 1. So 1 is greater than 2 plus 2. So 1 is greater than 4. Is this condition true or false?
False.
False. That means that point will not lie in the region. The point which we have considered, that point will not lie in the region. Means the region is not this. The region will be on the upper side only. Okay, if you have taken any point and that for that point the condition is not coming true, that means that point is not in the region. Okay, so your region is on this side. Understood? See, if you take any of the point from here, you if you take any of the point, suppose if you take this point will be how much? Minus 2 comma 4. Yes or no? Yeah. So over here what you have, the the required region is above the line. Did you understood up to over here, Palak? Yeah. Okay. See, even if you test for this minus 2 comma 4, if we do it for minus 2 comma 4 over here is if y is greater than x plus 2, right? Test for test for minus 2 comma 4. If you do it, see it will come true. Why? Because that is the region is the upper region only, no? That's why. If you put it 4 greater than minus 2 plus 2, so 4 is greater than 0. This condition is true. It will come true because all the points above it will come true. Got it? Which will be the region? You was having problem in this only?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Now it is clear, no? How to check which one will be the region. So the above region it will be. After that, for this y is equal to 7, the it was y is less than 7, right? You can check for any point. You can test for origin also. Test for origin, that is 0 comma 0. So if you do test for origin, the value is 0 comma 0. So 0 is less than 7. This condition is true. So that means origin, its condition is true. 0 is less than 7. That's true. Yeah. So if it is true, then what we can say? That the origin will lie in the feasible region. That means your feasible region will be below the line. Got it? Now what will be the common region? The common region will be this. Wait, not this. The above and below. No. So the common region will be this. Are you getting it?
Yeah, but we have to shade
Yeah,
unwanted.
yeah, we have to shade the unwanted region. So what you will do, you have to shade the unwanted region. So you can shade this. Okay, this is what you can shade inclined lines. Okay, this is what your unwanted region. Even this will come. The whole thing will come. You can do the shading with pencil. Yeah, this is what your unwanted region. So your wanted region is this part. Clear? Yeah. Now you take a trial of one. Yeah, if I ask you to solve this 27th. Now, what all values you have? Y is greater than or equals x by 2. Greater than or equals. Right? So what you will do? To make this line, you can write it as 2y is greater than or equals x. Now to make this line, what you will do? You'll take the points.
So we can also say it's 2y equal to x, right?
Yeah, it will be 2y equals to x only because if you have to convert this into equality only to
Okay.
draw the line. Yeah, or you can also write it afterwards 2y minus x equals 0. That is also fine. If you put the value of x as 1, what will be the value of y? That will be 0.5. So better not to keep as 1. We'll keep it as 2. Then the value of y will be 1. Yeah. If the value of x is 8, then the value of y will be 4. Yeah. So the points are 2 comma 1 and 8 comma 4. We got these 2 points. Plot this on the graph. 2 comma 1 is over here and 8 comma 4 is over here. Draw this line. Done. This is which line? 2y equals x. This line is 2y equals x. The next line which I'll make is the next is y is less than 2x. We'll also do the which region it will come over here only. Okay, what was the inequality? 2y is less greater than or equal to x. So what we can do, we can check for, since the line is passing through origin, so we cannot check for origin. So we have to check for some other point. Fine. So the other point you can take is, you can take this point 6 comma 1. Test for test for 6 comma 1. So what you will do, put the values of x as 6 and y as 1. So 2 into 1 should be greater than or equal to 6 and 2 is greater than or equals to 6. This is true or false?
False.
False. So what we can say, therefore 6 comma 1 will not lie in the region, will not lie in the region, in the feasible region you can say, right? So 6 comma 1 if does not come, then the region will be the upper side one. Yes or no? Yeah. The next one you had was y is less than equals to x. Can you do the further? So this part is clear or yes or no? The inequality part is clear. What do you think? You will be able to draw the
Yes,
same
sir.
equations, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
So any other doubt from your side? No? Ashmi, what about you? Do you have any doubts?
So can you do geometry?
Geometry, which part of geometry?
Like the last questions, like the volume questions.
Okay, okay, fine.
And like they give you a shape and then they ask you to find the height of something,
Okay.
like those.
Geometry, you have circle theorems and all,
That
right?
is mensuration.
Yeah, that is mensuration. Yeah. So you want me to do the mensuration?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do. Do you have the sine rule and cosine rule to find the area of triangles and all?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me whether you know how to solve this question.
Yeah.
How do you do it?
You use half AB sine C.
Cosine rule.
Cosine rule or sine rule?
Half
I
AB
think it will
sine
be
C.
cosine.
Okay, half into what into what into sine of what? Tell me.
Half 12 times 8 times sine 26.4.
Perfect. Palak, you know it?
Sir, I thought we'll use cosine rule because all the
Cos
angles are given.
we don't have to find the angles. We need to find the area of the triangle. Yeah. But if you want to find the angles, then what you will do?
Then we use the cosine rule for angles.
Or sine rules also.
Cosine or sine.
We'll be using sine rule. We'll be using sine rule. Why? Because all sides are given and one angle is given. Right? We can easily use sine rule. The sine rule is easy or the cosine rule is easy?
Sine.
Which one?
Sine.
Yeah, the sine rule is easy because there is nothing like square and all and square root, nothing you have to do. Just have to do a upon sine a, b upon sine b, and c upon sine c. and you will get the answer, right? So this question has to be done using sine rule if you want to find the angles, and if you want to find the area, that is half into 8 into 12 into sine of this. Fine. The next. Can you find what will be the shaded area in this?
First, we'll find the area of the semicircle, then the area of this circle, and then subtract it and divide it by 2.
Perfect. Very good. Ashmi, understood?
Yeah.
Okay. The whole thing, the whole part is shaded.
Yeah, yeah. So you find the area of the two big sectors,
Hmm.
and then you find the area of the two smaller sectors,
Hmm.
and then you add them.
Then that's it.
Yeah.
Palak, can you tell?
So we find the areas of these two sectors, the big ones. Then we find the area of circle, and then we find the area of the smaller sectors, and then subtract them.
Yes. The sectors have been repeated. No. See, if I find the area of the
Wait, no, no,
circle.
I meant like this. You find this first, like
Uh,
these two.
hmm. Then
Then you find these two.
okay, these two. Okay.
Yeah.
Then you
Then you
add
add
all.
them.
Okay, okay, okay. I thought you said about this sector.
No, no, I
Yeah,
meant the
yeah, yeah. You can do
medium
that
size.
also. No problem. You can do that also. No problem. But what will be this angle?
50 times 2.
What? 50 times 2?
100, 360 minus
It will be
100 divided by
130.
2.
How much?
130 it will be.
Yeah, Ashmi, what
Yeah.
about you? What it will be?
Yeah, I said 360 minus 100 divided by 2.
Yeah, fine. That is also fine. You can also do this is 180, no? This whole angle is 180, right? 180 minus 50, you'll get this angle. Yeah, that also gives you 130. Yeah, in a easier way. Fine. The next. Can you try solving? Please try solving this. Tell me what is the area of rectangle in this case? The shaded part, sorry.
So is the shaded part or the rectangle?
The
Which
shaded
one do
part.
you want?
The shaded part.
So is the answer 60.61?
Yeah, that's right. Ashmi, did you solve it?
No, sir, I didn't get.
Okay. So, as this was given, that was this, the radius is 8, and AB and CD are tangents to a circle, okay, of radius 4 centimeters. Means the radius of this is 4, right? So you can use Pythagoras to find the value of A. That's it. Understood? Yes,
Sir, but
Ashmi.
how is OA 8?
What? OA is 8 because the radius of the outer circle, the bigger circle is 8. So OA will has to be 8.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, and this is the radius of the inner circle, no? So by using Pythagoras, since it's a tangent, so it will be right angle. And by using Pythagoras, you'll get this length. Yeah. Once you get, suppose this length is x, so the DC will be 2x. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. And suppose if this is 4, this BC will be how much? 8.
Yeah, yeah, sir, I got how to do that.
Yeah. That's it. And then you'll get the
Yeah.
area of rectangle and area of circle you know already. Yeah, you can subtract and you'll get the answer. Easy? Okay. So any other doubt? Okay, you have back, no? Fine. Any other doubt you have, Palak or Ashmi? Can you solve this question? The sides of the octagon are of length 12 centimeter. BA and GH are extended to meet P. Okay. HG and EF are extended to meet at Q. Okay. Show that angle BAH is 135. How you can show that this angle is 135? How you will show?
Sir, I don't know how to do this.
Ashmi, do you know it?
Sir, I think there's some formula where.
No, no. It's a very basic formula only. See what we can do. It's a octagon, right? If I draw lines over here, suppose if I am drawing lines over here, Yeah, it's an octagon, right? So the center angle has been divided into 8 parts. So this each angle will be how much? How you will find?
45 degrees.
How 45?
360 divided by 8.
Exactly. So that's why this will be 45. Once you get this angle, what will be this angle?
135.
I'm
So
asking you.
180
135 by
minus
2.
45.
What?
180 minus 45.
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2. Exactly. Yeah, it's an isosceles triangle, no? If this is x, this will also be x. Then 2x plus 45 will be equal to 180. Then x will be equal to 180 minus 45 divided by 2. So that gives you how much?
67.5.
Yeah, that gives you 67.5. Similarly, if you do it for this triangle, over here also you'll get 67.5. So the total angle is 135. Got it? Yeah, understood this? Yeah. Similarly, show that angle APH is 90 degree. How you will show that APH is 90 degree?
It's a square.
Yeah, it's a square.
Yeah, so 90 degree.
Mm, you can show it like this also. Since this is 67.5, this angle will be how much? This is 67.5, this is 67.5. This angle will be how much?
45.
45. This angle will also be 45, and this angle is 67.5, right? In this quadrilateral OAPHO, the sum of all the internal angles should be equal to 360 degree.
So we can directly do the triangle one, no? The triangle is 180 degree.
Yeah, that is
So
also fine.
45.
Yeah. You can do it with this triangle also. You'll get this as 90. Yeah, if this is 45, this is 45, this will be 90. Yeah, after that, calculate the length of pH. How you will calculate the length of pH? Each of this is 12. They have given.
So we will Pythagoras theorem. No.
See, this is
We'll
12.
use.
How you will find the length? Which one? pH.
So we use sine opposite upon hypotenuse. We
Yes,
get pH.
yeah, you can use sine theta. Also, Pythagoras also you can use.
So
See,
how?
this,
We don't have two angles,
yeah,
two
you just,
sides.
this is 45 and this is 45. No, both the sides are equal then. Yeah, both sides are equal, no? It's an isosceles triangle. So you can take this as x, this as x. So under root of x square plus x square is equals to 12 using Pythagoras. So under root of 2x square will be equal to 12. So 2x square will be equal to 144. X square will be equal to 72, and then do the square root. You will get the answer. Got it? Yeah. Next, the length of PQ. PQ. Yeah, how you will find length of PQ? Tell me verbally, Ashmi. How you will?
Sir, x plus 12.
Yeah, that's it. We will get the value of x. So x plus 12 plus x, you will get the value of PQ. Yeah. The next, the area of triangle APH. How you will find area of triangle APH?
Half base into height.
What will be the base and what will be the height?
Base is x and h is also x.
Exactly. You can take both as base and height both as x. Then how you will find the area of the octagon?
So we can find area of one triangle and then multiply it by 8.
Okay, how you will find the area of one triangle?
Half AB sine C.
But what is A and B? Did they give you the radius of the circle? No, they did not give you. So how you'll find the radius? Palak, you're thinking?
You can use sine rule
Which sine rule?
to find one side of the triangle.
This in this you are saying this triangle? OAH you are saying?
Yeah, yeah.
But that is not a right angle triangle. How you can use the sine rule? How you will use? Tell me. Tell me, no problem. We can still use, but there is some
So
method
we can use cosine rule
to find
and find the angle,
which angle.
find the side.
But there will be an even more easy way. We can find what is the area of square. Palak, your video went off. Can we find the area of the square since we have the right side PQ? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can find area of square. And we know what is area of one triangle. So if we subtract four triangles, you'll get the area of hexagon. Got it or not? Palak, you are there?
Yeah, yes, sir, I'm here.
So what I was asking, how you'll find the area of hexagon? Octagon, sorry, not hexagon. How you have to find is, you can you find area of this square since we have one of the side? Do we have area of this one triangle? Yes or no? Please give some reaction.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. So if we subtract four triangles, you'll get the area of hexagon.
Sir, I
Yeah.
didn't get.
We didn't get. Fine. See, if you find what is the area of the square minus this area of this four rectangles, what you will get? The area of hexagon only, no?
Okay, sir, got it.
Got it? Yeah. Clear, no, Ashmi? Okay, fine. Now, octagon, the radius of the circle. How you will find the radius of the circle now?
I don't know.
Don't know. Ashmi, don't know.
I don't know.
Fine. We have the area of hexagon. Sorry, the area of octagon we have. The octagon have been divided into 8 parts. So if we divide it with 8, we'll get the area of one triangle. Yes or no? Yes or no, I ask. But you guys don't.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
We'll
can you
get
repeat?
from where?
Sir, you are lagging.
From where you want to, because it's a continuation, it's a very complex sum.
Yeah, yeah, sir. From the radius.
From J,
No, no, from the area of the circle.
from the area of the circle. Okay. Now we need to find what is the radius of the circle, right? Did you understood how to find the area of the octagon? Yeah. Now, as we know that the octagon have been divided into 8 parts, 8 triangles, 8 equal triangles, right? If we divide the area of the octagon by 8, you will get area of one triangle. Yes or no? Yeah. Now, once you have
Yeah.
area of one triangle, can you find what will be this length? How you'll find? At least tell me now. If you have area of one triangle, then how you'll find the radius?
Area equals half to be sine. See?
What? Half?
Half to be because like the sides are the same, right?
Yeah.
So
Half
half
into
to side.
half into this side. This wait,
Yeah.
wait, wait, wait. But with that, you'll not get the radius. You'll get the triangle, and then you'll get the area of. You won't get the area of sector. Wait, 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 wait. The radius can't be found by that. Yeah. What we can do, if this is your triangle, right? This is your triangle. We know what is the area of triangle. Yeah, this will be the height of the triangle. Yes or no? It's an isosceles triangle, no? So if we draw an altitude, it will come at the midpoint. Yes or no? We know area of triangle is half into base into height. That height will be your radius. Yes or no? Did you get it?
Yeah.
Did you get it? How to find the radius?
Sir, but then what about the base?
The base will be 12.
Sir,
If
So we
but
can
you're
also
taking
use
half.
tan here, right?
yeah, you can use tan theta. Yeah, you can use that also. See, if this is 12, this will be 6. This half distance will be 6. And this angle, whatever you get, that is 67.5 something you got, right? So with that also you can get what is the height of the triangle. And whatever the height of the triangle will be, that will be the radius of the circle.
Sir, but then what about this?
Which one? That is also 6. Means which part? You are saying this part. You're
No,
saying
no, no, the line. How will
this.
that be 6?
Yeah, this will also be 6.
Oh, okay.
You got it? How to find the radius of the circle? Both of you. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. The next what they are saying, the area of the circle as a percentage of the area of the octagon. That means you have to divide the area of the circle as the percentage as the area of the octagon. You have the area of the circle, you have the area of the octagon, divide both of them into 100, whatever percentage you'll get, that will be the percentage of the area of the circle with respect to octagon. Understood? Yeah. If this sum is
Yes, sir.
coming in your exam, what do you think you will be able to solve? Yeah. Okay. Okay then. So over here we are done for today. And if you have any doubts, you please keep it ready for your next class. Okay? Chalo then. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Bye, sir.
Yeah.